Hi, Angela of UCWorkspace here. We're at ISE 2020. I'm with Kelly Heikkinen, the Global Partner Account Manager. Kelly, how's the show been for you?
The show has been fantastic. We've had really good feedback from customers with our new products and our existing quick launch product.
I heard that the show numbers are down throughout the week, but how's that affected the people coming by?
The numbers have been down a little bit from the past years, but the quality of people coming through and the engagement they've been having with us has been fantastic.
Great, so we introduced two new products, UCCentral as well as WEAV. So how's the feedback been on UCCentral? That's our portal for deployment, management, and analytics.
It's been really good. People are very interested in the information they're able to pull from that, as well with Quick Launch, as well on its own in other portals. And I think it's going to be really exciting to have some people get into our premier mode.
Excellent, and what about the monitoring of it, the green, yellow, reds, and being able to see the status?
Everybody's very happy to be able to see the information they can get from the environment, whether it be for business facilities or for IT people. They're really excited to get some information to help in their meeting room spaces.
Thanks. So we also introduced WEAV on Wednesday. It was a global release of it. So what's the feedback been?
WEAV has been really good. People are very intrigued on what it can do, and they're really trying to work in their minds how they're going to use it in their environment, and they're excited to see it being released as well.
So WEAV is our new collaboration product to enhance wired wireless device communication in the meeting room and really change the paradigm. We think it's a completely new category of product, and we're excited. With Kelly, we would like to say thank you for sharing with it at ISE. We're ready to go home.